How to add multiple accounts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I'll show you how you can add multiple accounts on Facebook, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add multiple accounts on Facebook, all you need to do is just open the Facebook application first and then tap on the three lines from the top right hand side, scroll down to the bottom, go to settings and privacy, or else you can just go to the logout button. Once you go to logout button, here you'll find the option called login to another account. You can just tap on the login to another account, enter the new account username and password that you want to log into, and once you log into that specific account, if you want to switch to that account, so let me show you how it's done. Now once I log into the new account, I've successfully added another account. So if I want to switch it, I'll just come to my profile page or this menu page, tap on this little drop down menu, and now I'll be able to see other accounts. So you can just select those accounts in order to log into this account. And that's basically it on how you can add multiple accounts on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.